Hello, we're here today at Hollywood Studios Outlet to show you how to easily tie the perfect tie knot. Since you can't be here, we're coming to you with some simple instructions that you can practice at home and always look sharp with the perfect tie knot. Easily tying the perfect tie knot begins with getting the skinny end of the tie shorter than the wide end of the tie. It'll be different for everybody because everybody has a different neck, chest size. We're all different heights. So you'll have to adjust it for each individual person. Once you get it where you want it, you start the process by crossing the wide end in front of the skinny end, go around behind, come up through the hole, and pull the tie down. You know you've done it right so far because you can take your hands away and it stays. Now we make the front of the tie, and as older people say, go up the tree and down the rabbit hole. Once you've got it to here, now you want to take your time. If you want to put a dimple in it, you can. You hold it pinched. You pull it down, pull the knot tight slowly. And you just keep working it till you get the knot the size you want. Once you're here, you can cinch the knot up into the tie space of your shirt, weave the back through the little loop, and there you have it. Easily the perfect tie knot. Have a great day.